Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Lanman. I'm a spinal neurosurgeon, board certified in neurosurgery. I do artificial disc replacement and motion preservation surgery. I've led many FDA clinical trials to investigate and get approvals for many of the artificial discs that are currently available on the market. What is an ADR, artificial disc replacement? Artificial discs replace your degenerative and injured discs with discs that move and will last your lifetime. This enables you to maintain a normal, mobile, active, functional spine the way it was designed to be. We are about motion preservation surgery. We're against the alternative, which has always been fusion. Fusion, we fuse the bones together and fuse through the disc, and you don't move anymore. We don't like that. We want to preserve your motion. Your spine was designed to move. Our objective is to keep you moving, active, and functional as you age. After 30 years of performing spinal neurosurgery and being involved in motion preservation surgery, we've launched the largest disc replacement center in the United States. We're bi-coastal, Florida and California, and soon to be middle of the United States as well. And we're here to serve you and help you maintain an active, functional spine for your lifetime.